works. What? You're kidding. Whereas like my sock game is not on point. I'm so mad. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here. Come through and talk to me, because I am very lonely. I'm super excited because today I'll be showing you getting ready with me routine, my getting ready with me for dates routine, my getting ready, getting single girl in New York City getting ready routine. To find love? The funny thing is finding love in New York City. Anyways, for my getting ready with me to date in New York City, you'll be seeing how I do my hair, how I do my makeup, my process of choosing an outfit. So yeah, and this video is actually sponsored by Silk. I got some of the cutest little girliest products ever. I'm so excited. So freaking cute. I am over the moon. I'm so excited to be working with Silk and trying them out in this video and giving y'all my honest opinion on all their stuff. Let's get into the get ready with me. So this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner, and these are for all hair types. So they're both paraben and sulfate free, cruelty free and vegan. They're ideal for dry, bleached, and damaged hair, which is, hello, perfect for me. And they're salon quality and loved by hair professionals. And has like a bunch of nutrients. They have citric acid, folic acid, vitamin B, magnesium, citrus, and coconuts. So lots of good stuff. It also removes product buildup. So if you have any products in your hair, it removes that like buildup that will cause itchiness. Coconut oil actually repairs damage from like the sun, dryness, bleaching, and brushing. And it also takes care of your scalp. Folic acid and magnesium boosts scalp health and also helps stimulate growth, hair growth. And the shampoo also fights dandruff, which is incredibly important to me specifically because I do suffer with dandruff. That's why I use Head and Shoulders usually. But I'm excited to see how this one works because I have dandruff. And also apparently helps with frizz and makes your hair less frizzy. I don't deal with that much. I'm here to talk about dandruff. I'm here to talk about dandruff and how my hair like feels in general afterwards and how my scalp feels. So the conditioner isn't vegan, it's actually vegetarian. And it has a keratin treatment for dry hair. It's a super lightweight formula. I know conditioners can sometimes be heavy, but this one is super light. And it's a softening and defining miracle product with argan oil, keratin protein, and shea butter. Yeah, I'm super excited to try these. I mean, not only are they just aesthetic and beautiful and cute, but sounds like they've got a lot of good nutrients, and I'm excited to shower and try them. So they also sent me a little hair serum. I've actually never used a hair serum before, so I'm really excited about that. So it has squalene oil, macadamia and jojoba oils, and vitamin E. I actually will be using this a lot, and it also helps protect against like breakage from heat styling. Okay. I'm gonna try it on right now because why not? Doesn't have a significant scent. Obviously with these it kind of takes a long time for you to feel what it does, but I like that it's not like heavily scented. I've heard jojoba oil is supposed to be very good for your hair, so I'm excited to have a serum to use this. Oh, through damp hair. But I feel like I would have to put in a lot more, but it feels nice. It very much so moisturized my ends immediately. They also sent me their deep conditioning hair mask, which I also don't use hair. I need to take care of my hair better. I also don't use hair masks that much, so I'm very excited to try this out. It doesn't contain soy, DA, or BPA. And it was featured in the March 2021 Ipsy Glam bag. Ooh. It strengthens porous strands, makes your hair smooth and silky, and repairs damaged hair. And has green tea in it. Ooh, green tea, keratin, and shea butter. So it's made for like straight, wavy, coiled, and tightly coiled hair. So it's for everyone and anyone. Because the other one is more like if you straighten your hair and dry it and bleach it and a little bit of bleep bloop blop. If you are hesitant on these products and want to test them out first, I suggest getting the travel set. Shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioning hair mask, and hair serum. Literally like all of it in one little cute teeny tiny bag, which I love. Made for all hair types, straight, wavy, curl, coiled, and tightly coiled. The bag is so cute. And last thing that they sent me is this hair wrap. So it's a hair towel made from ultra lightweight, sleek hair technology. Gently dries your hair, reducing frizz, leaving your hair ready to style. Multitask while wearing the sleek hair wrap to reduce your getting ready time. Okay, cool. So yes, this is just like if you shower before going to things and you don't want to like waste time blow drying your hair, so you could put this on, you know, so you could like do other things and get ready and put your makeup on and all that. Oh, cute! Haha! This is so cute. There's a whole button and it goes into here. Okay, so I just showered like an hour ago using the Silk shampoo and conditioner. The full sets are in my bathroom right now. I liked it. The shampoo was very shimmery, so it was like really cute. It was like just adorable. So now I'm gonna go in with the hair serum because my hair is damp, so it's the perfect time to apply it. So I'm gonna focus this on my ends because they're very dry. And I'm just gonna run it just a little bit throughout everything as well. Okay. It feels good. My hair feels nice. It feels fluffy. I mean, she's not fully dry yet, so I'll show you guys when it's dry. And now I'm gonna do my makeup. And let's get into it. So this is my makeup. It's not like anything too crazy. It's just like a first date. And my hair isn't fully dry yet, but it feels really soft and nice, and it feels bigger than usual. Like, my hair is usually very flat, so I mean, it's still flat, but like it feels puffier than usual, so I like how it looks. And come on, my hair looks really good. I mean, it's messy and it's still a little wet. So yeah, I used the shampoo conditioner. I didn't use the deep conditioning mask, but I do really like this hair serum. I'm just gonna apply more for extra glossiness. I like this serum a lot. Makes my hair like a lot softer. I'm going to get back to you guys when I put on my outfit and my hair is fully dried. Okay, let's get into that. So these are the pants I'm gonna wear, and I'm thinking of wearing this top that my mom got me for New Year's. It's like this little like edged little sweater and it's edged on the bottom. I haven't tried it on yet though, so guess we'll figure that out. And I'm just wearing a bralette so like it peeks through. I don't necessarily love this bralette. Well, I just want it to peek through. You know what? That's not that bad because it does cover the high-waistedness a bit, but it's kind of cute. Like the open shoulder is really cute. I need to like cut this off. It's just not like, it's not giving sexy for sure, but it's like really cold out, so I don't know if I want to give sexy. It's very chill, but like still like pretty. Let me put on another necklace, hold up. So just to add another layer to this, I have two docks that I could wear. These are like the girlier ones though. I mean, they're docks, so you can't really make them girly, but like I feel like this shirt is girly. Oh no, yeah, I feel like it would look cute with these. And I have these big boy docks, but I feel like it's gonna edge up the outfit a little bit too much, even though like I do have bell bottoms, so it's only gonna peek through a little bit. So I'll get them out as an option. We'll see later. I also have like this cute little trinket of rings, so I'm gonna put on some rings. I'm gonna put on some spiced gingerbread, and I'm gonna brush my hair. And I think my hair is fully dry, and it feels so nice. Like, look at this. Look at my hair. It feels so nice. Look at my hair. Look at how good it looks. What? You're kidding. I love it, and it smells so good also. Yay! This sleek hair looks so good. Like, I feel like this looks a lot better. It looks a little bit poofier. It feels a little bit lighter and nicer. Like, the texture is just like so much nicer. Yeah, I've been using Sleek's like hair stuff for 4 days now, and I really like it. I definitely really love the serum, I will say. Like, the serum that I put into my hair, it's so nice. Okay, I'm gonna put on my ring. I always go with this ring. I don't know if you guys can even see this, but it's this really beautiful like little star ring I got for my 20th birthday, or maybe 19th. And then I have this just little gold ring from Spain. And then I have this very special one. It's this diamond ring I got for graduating college. And then I have this one, this little rose quartz. And these are my rings. He just left, so I'm gonna leave in like 30. I should probably like eat some bread or something because I need something to eat. I recently got into whipped cream. It's been lovely. The way I don't have matching socks, so I'm wearing one Halloween sock and one sock with an ice cream cone. It's so embarrassing when I have to take my shoes off. Like there was one pregame where I had to take my shoes off, like a pregame for Halloween, and I was like I respect it because I'm a shoes off homegirl too, but like always the worst. Like my sock game is not on point. I'm thinking, because I have this beautiful black jacket that's like cropped and cute, but I don't even know if I'm trying to impress this guy, you know? Like what's the point of going all cropped and cute? I don't know if I'm gonna like him yet, you know? So like no. I'm like so scared I'm not gonna be attracted to him because I'm like very picky with attraction. Unfortunately, I wish I was better. Like I wish, but you know, this is kind of cute. But maybe really intense for a first date. But yeah, I'm really bad with like being attracted to people. It takes like a lot. I feel like I have one very specific type, and if you don't follow that exact type, it's really hard. This is such a comfy jacket. Yeah, this jacket's cute. Hee hee, I'm gonna wear this, and I'll probably wear the girlier dots. You know what, I'll do a recap the next day, but this is my hair for tonight. It looks cute, I love it, and yeah, I'm gonna head out, guys. I'm so mad! I had a date for today, for Sunday. Today's Sunday. I filmed the video beforehand, Friday, so I did my whole makeup. The guy was in the car driving, but then he got caught in traffic and he has to be home like super early, so like he canceled the date. And I never do this, like I never put on my makeup unless I know that they're on their way, but he literally canceled as he was on his way. I'm so annoyed. I hate doing my makeup in vain, you know, like, and I had a whole Sunday wasted, like I could have went on another date. Anyways, so back to the Friday date. I don't even remember how that went, to be honest. I got a little drunk. It was okay. I don't think we're like talking that much. Like he texted me and then I texted back and he didn't text back. So like, I have no idea how it went, but like, it was a fun time, but it wasn't like an outstanding, oh my God, connection that like you think about for a while, you know what I mean? It was fun though, I had a good time. I have a feeling he's gonna text me again because he was the one that initially texted me afterwards and stuff, and he was the one at the date that was like, I wanna see you again, so I'm just so mad about this Sunday date right now. But anyways, thank you Silk for sponsoring my awful dating life. I actually just got out of the shower recently, so I'm gonna put some more of this in because this hair serum, I really like vibe with it a lot. But yeah, that date went okay. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, the Friday one, I would give it like a 6 out of 10. Anyways, it's fine. That's what dating in New York City is like, hee hee ha-has. So yeah, all right. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you Silk. Check out the Silk collection by Sleek. It is lovely. I'm super excited to try it all out. I love the shampoo and conditioner. I love the serum. And if you want to try them out, they come with, you could like just get like this little travel pack, and it's super cute, and so you could test out all of their products here. So thank you so much. Check them out, link in description, and I'll see you guys another time.